Welcome home. We are at 1251 Skyview Crossing Drive in the gated community of Terra Vista. This is a maintenance-free villa, so it's really about lifestyle here. And I'll tell you about all of the amenities that you have in this community. You're going to be amazed at what's available and accessible to you. And I think coming out of the COVID pandemic and having survived that, we all have realized even more so how important loving your home is. So I'm excited to show you this home. It's got some really awesome upgrades and great features and things that you don't always find in communities like this. So I'm going to take you through. I'll try to highlight all of these special things, but right off the bat, standing in the foyer, you can see this beautiful sight line to your pool and straight out to that pond with the fountain. What a gorgeous view. At night, that's illuminated in a blue light, and it's just a beautiful place to sit and gaze upon that as you relax in the evenings. So from a lifestyle perspective, look at this house. Some of the upgrades, we've got the engineered hardwood floors. You're noticing the high ceilings, the crown molding, the bullnose corners. This is a split plan 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. And we'll start off on the guest side over here. So this is a very functional room here that could serve, as you can see, it serves as a bedroom right now, but it could also be an office or even both if that's something that you need in your house. So this room has been equipped with a nice sliding screen that allows for privacy when you have the guest where you need the 3rd bedroom. Down this hallway, we have our guest bath. It's the tub shower combo, beautiful quartz countertops on the sink. And check out this large linen closet. These closets, they go all the way up at the height of the ceiling, so if you needed more space, you could add even more shelving in these closets. And here is the 2nd guest bedroom. One of the things you're probably noticing is that we have the plantation shutters throughout. So that's an upgrade to this home. We also have extra tall doorways, and the rooms are equipped with the fans and the lights. Again, this engineered flooring throughout the home. Dining room, gorgeous chandelier, and look at that decorative medallion above. Plenty of room here in the living room area, and a nice nook that'll accommodate any size furniture, TV, whatever you have, you've got plenty of space there. So here is the kitchen. We've got the bar seating, we have the eat-in nook, so you've got 2 areas where you can have people spread out in order to be able to enjoy dining, and it's all open concept, so you're going to be working here in your kitchen and able to communicate with your guests or your friends and family as you do so. One of the things I want to point out is this kitchen is equipped with pull-outs. We've got the pull-outs here. We've got pull-outs in this cabinet. Also, you'll notice lots of drawers, built-in microwave, built-in oven, and a beautiful 4-burner gas cooktop. Here we have a separate area that works really nice as a coffee bar setup and an excellent pantry. Now this house does have a lot of storage. So here's the laundry room. We've got the laundry tub, which is a must-have. We've got extra cabinets for storage, and we have 2 closets. So overflow pantry space. I think that is spectacular, as well as utility storage space, coat closet, lots of storage. Into the garage. This garage has been updated with a beautiful epoxy type flooring, very long lasting, wear resistant flooring, and then you've got the extra built-in storage above as well. So it's a 2-car garage, but there's space for additional storage, including the pull down attic stairs to take you up into the attic. The house is equipped with a water softener, so you won't have to worry about any hard water issues. Go back inside. I do want to note this is a pocket door here for the laundry room, so you can close that off in case you get messy with your laundry facilities. So we're going to head on out. We're going to go past our beautiful pool and spa and fountain feature, and we're going to head into the primary bedroom suite. Lots of space here. Again, we've got the plantation shutters, so very easy to close out the light when you need to. Neat barn door here that slides across to separate the closets and the bathroom. 2 walk-in closets, no arguing over closets, you've got 2 of them, and attic access in the closet to the right. Again, with 2 sinks and vanities, full vanities for each person. So that's a beautiful design, and around this corner you'll find your toilet. Lots of space there. Walk-in snail shower with a rain shower head. Now we will head out to the pool deck where we can appreciate everything that this outdoor space has to offer. First off the bat, I want to point out there is a gas line there for a gas grill. So you're set up to put your grill out here and really be able to wine and dine in the outdoors. This is, as you can see, screened in, so you're not going to be bothered by bugs or any pests of that nature, and you have got that view all the time to that water feature. It's beautiful. Love it. Space for a table, space for loungers, whatever you would like in your outdoor space. So this is an awesome home, a beautiful option if you're looking for something that allows you to just enjoy living in Florida, enjoy everything that's here. The amenities of this community include dog parks, walking trails, golf courses, tennis courts, pickleball. There's a golf simulator. There's fitness centers. There's community pools, both lap pool indoor and outdoor family pools. There's a full service spa, so you can go and get any type of spa treatments, facials, massages, manicures and pedicures, all of those great things that just make you feel revitalized and rejuvenated. And it's all right here in this community. A top-notch restaurant, 5-star restaurant, entertainment. There are comedy shows and plays and activities and game nights and on and on and on. So as much as you want to get plugged in, you can do it right here in your community. And then if you want to go outside of the community, we are on the nature coast of Florida. So we are on the coast. There's a lot of water activities. There's also a lot of hiking, outdoor fun, parks, state parks. You name it, we've got it. You'll be busy and you'll be quite satisfied. And then we're not too far from Tampa for the airport attractions and restaurants, as well as Orlando for the amusement parks and more stores and restaurants and things like that. So this is a fantastic option. You won't be worrying about mowing your lawn or trimming your hedges or doing any of those things. You're just going to say each day, what are we going to do today? Where do we want to go? What amenities do we want to enjoy? And you're going to live the lifestyle. So if this is of interest to you, please give us a call right away. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group of eXp Realty. And you can reach me or my teammates at 352-794-1426. And again, we are RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Talk to you soon.